How to add WhatsApp chat shortcut on home screen in Android. Hello everyone, today let's learn on how to create a WhatsApp chat shortcut on a home screen for Android users. So I'll simplify the process for you. So there are two ways to create a shortcut. The first method is to open the chat for which you want to create a shortcut. For that, go to WhatsApp, select a chat or a conversation you'd like to interact with, and then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Click on More. Then choose Add Shortcut. From the options that appear at the bottom of your screen, click on Add. Now the chat shortcut will appear on your home screen, and you can place it anywhere you like. Now the next method is open your WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Find the chat you want to create a shortcut for and press and hold on it to select it. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Add Chat Shortcut. Click on Add, and the shortcut will be then added to your home screen. It's that simple. You can create as many shortcuts as you want based on your needs. This feature is primarily for Android users, so if you have any questions or need clarification on any steps, please feel free to comment and ask. You can also create shortcuts for group chat, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.